I was making videos just for stupid shit. Hey guys, it's Dave. Yeah, it's Dave. And watch this. Fucking watch it. Woo! Where'd he go? Oh. Ow! Turned down by his own rocket. Guys, we're back. And I got Just Cause 3. We just went 3 towns. As I can show you. This one, well that's a base, but this one, and that one, but I just liberated base 2. And I just, let's do this again. Let's try this out. We should, when we get this done, we should be able to launch into the air. Oh my god! Wow. I am playing. Did you steal that from me? Oh my god. Okay, guys. Stole it. No, this is mine. Okay. My mom. Let me get this down. Nope. Mine. Honestly, you can have some on cheap on the street. Okay, y'all ready? Mama! And fire! Woo! Alright. Okay. But guys, let's just light this guy up. Told you, don't come be